Okay, good day, bonjour. Today, let's quickly look at the leçon in French language. What does that mean? Leçon is the sounds in French language. It's quite different from that of French alphabet. French alphabet is the same number with the English alphabet. We have 26 French alphabets. The same thing in English language, we have 26 in number. But different, and we write it in the same way, A, B, C to Z in French, A, B, C to Z in English, the same way. But the little difference that is there is that the pronunciation of that of French language is quite different from that English language. But this is lesson. This sound, this we can call it phonemes. It also assists to know, to assist the students or anybody that want to learn the language to hear what people are saying. It's only once they can hear what they are saying, you will be able to respond or interpret. So it quickly assists what the people are saying. You will be able to hear. You see, you will read confidently. Then you will read a lot of things. When you see, you'll be able to pronounce any French word. You'll be able to pronounce as if you are a French speaker already, any French word. That is the thing. Apart from that, then you now start building okay, how to form some little sentences. You pick your personal pronoun plus what, plus the verb, then you add the noun to it. You started picking, you started speaking little by little, then you have confidence in yourself. But once you are able to transcribe confidently, and this sound, they are just 37 in number. This sound will help you to pronounce the different word from this word. We help you to know the difference from this word and this word. When people are saying this, when people are pronouncing this and this is garçon, this is garçon. So can you see now? Is this sound that will help you to know which one they are pronouncing? You know it's look alike. Look at this also. Look at this word also. This one is mère, and this one is what? Mè. Is the sound that will help you to know the difference between this. And look at this. Look at this also. What is this? Tu. Why this one is what? T. Why this one is T? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? This one is two. So we not pronounce these two like this. We not pronounce this two like T. So it's through the assistance of these sounds that will help you to know the difference between all this. So how these 37 sound function? Let's quickly look at it. How these 37 sound function? We have two legs of these 37 sounds. We have vowel, what we call vowel, and what we call consonant. Vowel simply means vowel. Consonant simply means consonant. And look at this vowel, we have 16 in number. We have 16 vowel. And once we minus 16 from this 37, it remains 21. So that means we have 21 consonants. 16 vowel, 21 consonants. So this vowel now divided into two. We have oral, vowel oral, then we have vowel nasal. Vowel oral, they are just 12 in number, 12. And vowel nasal, they are just 4, just 4 in number. Now let's come to consonant. Consonant, we also have oral, we also have consonant. Under this oral, we have 16 in number. Consonant, we have 4 in number. And there is something we call semi, look at it, semi-consonant. We call it semi-consonant or semi-vowel. This sound, we can call it semi-consonant or semi-vowel. They are just 3. They are just 3 in number. Can you see? They are just 3 in number. So if you can know all these, just these 37 sounds, you'll be able to pronounce and read and hear what people are saying confidently. So now let's quickly look at, because of the time, quickly look at these 4 nasal sounds. They are just 4 in number true, but they are very, very important in French language. They are just 4, but they are very, very important in French language. The first we are going to look at is a. Maybe you can quickly look at this one for this afternoon, then others next time. What is pronounced as a? Why is it pronounced as a? It's voyelle nasal. Voyelle. We call it voyelle nasal. They call it voyelle nasal. A. Why we are pronouncing it as a? We have this sound that's pronounced as a. This is a. This is under oral. This is nasal. Why are we calling this one nasal? Because we pronounce them with mouth and nose. A. A. We pronounce this one with mouth and nose. Why this one is under a? It's under voyelle oral. Why this one is nasal sound? So, what sound is going to give us this? These are it. We have an, am, en, em. These are the sounds. When we see it, we pronounce it as a. We pronounce it as a. So it will help us to pronounce many of the words. Now let's look at some examples under this. Let's look at this word. Okay, if I see this word now, I don't know how to pronounce it. I can pronounce infant, which is wrong. What you tell me the correct pronunciation is through the sound. This en, look at it here. Is it here? It's here. So at the first end, if I see en, I pronounce as a. What other is there? An. An also is there. It's pronounced as a. That means if I want to check my dictionary, this is what I'm going to say there. A, an, f. Then I had what? An. Then I close the bracket. So check the dictionary. This is what you are going to see how to pronounce this one. Afa, afa, afa. It means what? Child. It means child. Enfant, enfant. Why is it not enfant? Why is it not enfant? This T is not part of the exceptional consonant that hence, once they end the words in French, we pronounce them like letter R, letter L, letter F. We have some exceptional consonants like that. When they end word, then we pronounce them. But this is not the part of the exceptional consonant. The only way I can pronounce this word is once I have E. 90% rules of that. If I have E at the end of this like this, then I'm going to pronounce the T. I'm going to add the T to it. So it's now pronounced as enfant, and there's nothing like that. So enfant now. So because the E, once the E is there now, I'm going to pronounce this. This is what I'm saying. Look at this word. A, T, dien. Okay, let's transcribe this. Étudiant. Here is étudiant. Étudiant. Look at this. Étudiant. Étudiant. Now look at this. Étudiant. Look at it. There is E at the head now. I'm going to transcribe as étudiant. Look at it. Male student, female student. Male student, female student. Étudiant. Because of this E. Because of this E. I pronounce it as étudiant. 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 So see you next time. Because of the time, we continue next time to do the other last one. Au revoir. Bye bye.